what to wear here and there. I'm Lashana and I'm here to give you what you want. Yeah, yeah. Style, hair, fashion, and flair. Come along, sit down, grab your pretty drink. Stay a while. Stay with me. Hey everybody, I just wanted to share my koi earrings have arrived. So let me just take it out. Oh, I just wish, I know it can't be, but I need a cleaner delivery, okay? So this is the packaging. I don't know if you guys can see their logo there. And I love this drawstring bag. Sorry about the lighting, guys. This feels so good. It almost feels, I don't know, like a moleskin. But I am a minimalist when it comes to my earrings. So I just wanted to share that I purchased these beautiful, look, they are gorgeous. These beautiful studs. Y'all know I'm a big hoop and a studs wearer. I've worn them several times already and I love them so much, guys. If you haven't shopped Koi for any of their amazing statement jewelry, head over there right now, guys. This is not sponsored, but I love them.